Hello, in this video I want to present you the booking app by Builderall and three things that I like about this booking app. If you know Calendly, it's an app for people to book you in a session for coaching or whatever to meet you. But now we have a booking app in Builderall. So the first things that I like about it is that it is free because when you already have a Builderall account, you have many apps. And this one, the booking app, is included. So there is no additional payment and you can use it. You don't need Calendly or any other tool. You can use this one. So it's free because we already have Builderall for other things, for our digital marketing needs. And this app comes for free. So this is number one. One things I like about Builderall is when they add a new app, it's free included. There is no additional payment to make. My second point that I like about it, it's a very functional app. So it works. It replaces totally Calendly. It's a professional app. It's not just a gimmick. So my second point that I like is you can manage as many calendars as you want. So you can have one calendar for booking a coaching, one calendar for booking just an introduction, for instance, for free. People can talk to you for half an hour for free. And so another calendar will be for paid sessions. And you have the overview of the calendar. So my second point is this: is you have your two calendars and you have your schedule. So another view of what you need to do next. So you can see here in the schedule and the calendar, you can see how many people have booked you, what time, what day, everything. It's synchronized with Google Calendar if you like, but you can come here on this app and see the overview of everything you have to do next today and tomorrow. So it's very well organized. And finally, the third thing I like about it is the integration, which is second to none. Because it is part of the Builderall toolset, you have by default integration with Cheetah Builder, including the super checkout, which means you can have people buy a session with you. They can book a paid session, and it's integrated with your checkout system in Builderall, so you can receive payments and the boot. How do you call this? I mean, when people book, you have then a meeting, a schedule, a rendezvous. It will be validated if they have paid only. Okay, so this is integrated with Cheetah Builder. So when you make a website to present this app to book, you can use a Cheetah Builder and it's all integrated. Easy to integrate your booking app into your website. Also, it's integrated with Mailing Boss, which is the email autoresponder of Builderall. So think about it. You have people in your mailing list. You send an email to say, I have 3 spots tomorrow. If you want to book, go to this page or go to this link, and people will go to this page and already have their information filled in. So they don't need to re-enter their email or contact information because you already have them in Builderall. So it's integrated. The booking app knows which contact is actually booking you. Also, it's integrated with the SMS messaging system of Builderall, which means you can set automatically reminders that the meeting will start in 1 day, 1 hour, in 5 minutes. Be ready and give the link to Zoom or your mobile phone. It's integrated. And also, you can create new integration. At the moment, they have integration with 2 external tools, which is Google Calendar, very useful. I mean, I use it, and maybe you use it too. So when you book or when you are booked, it can be integrated with your Google Calendar or the customer Google Calendar. And also, it's integrated with Zoom application for webinars or for one-to-one communication. Automatically generate and share meeting links for new subscribers or for new customers. So it creates the meeting in Zoom and gives the links to the customer and to yourself. So when the time for the meeting starts, you both have just to click on the link, open Zoom, and you are connected together. No manual work to do on this, just integrated with signing with Zoom and with Google. So this was my third thing that I like about this booking app is the integration with the super checkout of Builderall, which means easy to take payment, and integration with all the other ecosystem of Builderall and also with external tools. So I summarize. Number one is that this booking app is free when you already have a Builderall account. Second, that you have several calendars you can do and you have an overview of all your meetings to come. That's good. And the free is the integration. That's it. And of course, this booking app is evolving, is being developed. So you have the change log. So every time you want to see what is new with this booking app, you click here and you have the change log, what has changed. So coming soon, super checkout integration. So we still have the following as soon as possible. So the super checkout integration will come very soon. The next update will be there. And you have all the release, what you have, improvements, bugs, so that have been fixed. So you can follow the changelog. They are being transparent about it, and in the upcoming features, you can stay up to date and know if there is a new integration or something. You will know about it. So if you like this booking app and the ecosystem of Builderall, you can find a link in the description of this video to start a full trial or to go full all in Builderall, because it has all the tools you need on digital marketing. As you can see, there's a booking app, but there are many other apps. So go and start your full trial and see why so many people are using Builderall today. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand, came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Builderall, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site or click map your fans, see the pages they like, or use the video wrap or capture their sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind, and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click, and knew I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A Builderall rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Builderall's for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.